Alright, what's up guys? JaretCampisi with the beautiful Christina K. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading back over to Warhorse of Camp Hill to install more carbon fiber parts on our giveaway 2024 BMW M1000 single R, and I'm very excited for it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. I also wanted to mention we are celebrating our 9-year anniversary today. Can't believe it's been that long. We pretty much started dating when we started our social media pages, so we've largely been on this journey with you guys during our entire relationship. So we just wanted to say thanks for your continued support. It's really cool that you guys have all been a part of this journey, not only our business journey on social media, but our personal relationship journey as well. And we still love each other, maybe. Not so much. We spend 24/7 together and we work together, and honestly I wouldn't have it any other way. I really enjoy it, and I'm thankful I can call her my best friend. You know what you think? Or you're not my best friend?
You are. I didn't
Why are you
realize
laughing
this was
then?
going to get very serious.
It's not serious. I'm just telling it how it is. People like the couple stuff, you know? But yeah, we're happy. We are happy with our relationship, and we're happy that we share it all with you guys and that we have your support. We really appreciate it. So with that said, let's get over to Warhorse and get to work. All right, we have arrived at Warhorse of Camp Hill. We actually had the bike here for the grand reopening, and I had a little stand so people could see that we're giving the bike away. Again, patreon.com/Campisi Customs if you guys want to help support this project and be entered to win this bike. That's how we fund the projects. That's how we're able to do the giveaways. But yeah, we had a great turnout. Over 500 people came out to the event, and it was a lot of fun. It was awesome meeting everyone, and we're excited for things to come here at Warhorse. So yeah, this thing is absolutely stunning. Under these lights, Christina even wiped the whole thing down, and you even match it, semi match it. But yeah, I think the bike's gonna be here for the next week if you guys wanna come out and check it out. But today, we're gonna be doing some carbon fiber parts, and we're gonna push this thing in the back, and I'll show you what we're gonna be doing when we get there. But my God, this thing is just absolutely stunning, and it's not even done yet, but it is getting close. So let's get it in the back and then we'll unbox the parts.
It would be cool if you just started it up and rode it through the shop.
I thought about it, but there's people up there buying a bike. I don't want to give them a heart attack.
It looks really, really cool.
Look, they do have
Very shiny, and they still have another one available for sale. Brand spanking new. It could be your own.
Whenever they're done, we'll have to weigh them and compare
And
them
comparing
side
that
by
with really cool stock to the Campisi custom bike. Also, shout out to Caleb. Happy belated birthday.
Yeah.
We're 2 days
20
late.
years
He's
young.
20. Welcome to your
Can you believe
20s.
He's such a baby.
He's a baby.
Can't even drink yet.
So wish him a happy birthday in the comments
What
below.
he's got going on over here. You seen that?
No.
Holy Christ.
Is it a mess?
Here, let me take this. All right, today we're going into our box of Moto Million goodies. And don't forget, if you need parts for your motorcycle, you can use my code Campisi to save yourself some money on anything you get from Moto Million. So here you go. Carbon fiber frame covers. Look at these beauties.
That weave.
I hope that song is not going to copyright this video.
That is gorgeous.
I guess you want to show the other one? It's the same thing.
Oh, we gotta show it.
Okay.
We gotta make sure that it's good.
I guess it needs to be shown. All right.
There are no flaws.
That's true. I guess we should look it over. So this is
Another
straight
perfect.
up pure carbon fiber. Yeah, looks good, right?
Super light.
Yeah.
ASMR.
Technically, we are adding. Your nails look good
Do they?
next to it. Yeah.
Oh, we match.
That might be a little sneak peek to the next build. Your nails. Check, please. Okay, and then
Oh
we're.
yeah, and then to put them on, because
Yeah.
you're gonna need something.
I ordered some double-sided tape.
Brought to you by Amazon.com.
So
Two different
3M
types.
double-sided. Yeah, one of them was like aircraft grade or something. I forget.
Thick spare.
Yeah. One of them was pretty intense looking, at least. I'm not
So
sure.
how are you gonna know which one to use?
It's thicker too. See how that's thicker? I'm gonna let Caleb decide.
Thicker than a Snicker.
Or maybe it's not thicker. Or this one was thicker. Yeah. So that's normal.
Oh, yeah, you can
Then I
see
got
the
a thicker
difference in
one. Oops, I
size.
wasn't even pointing at the thing. Yeah. There
Thick
you go.
and thin, choose your poison.
Yeah, so I figured maybe in some options he'll use one or the other.
Yeah, for the
and
because they're
then
skinnier
show
parts
these
of
too.
carbon. Oh,
I'm not
putting
sure.
that on too.
Yeah, I'm not sure if they fit or not. We'll just do the front. I wanted to see if
Born to be
I was gonna see if they even fit with like
See what I did there?
what? Oh, Born to be Moto, but Born to be Wild.
Yeah.
I like
Come
it.
on, I did something.
I dig it.
My little singing, my non-singing.
Be careful because there's, yeah. So look at that.
Oh, those look really good with the bike.
And I think that it'll add a little bit of color right there. Yeah, look at that. I think it's much needed. So maybe we'll throw those on too and I'll match it. Why are you holding so much stuff? Okay, let's hand this over to Caleb. This is what goes on. Because I had to put on those Tron style carbon pieces. We're trying to get these axle sliders to fit. I was originally telling him he can Dremel the carbon and he had a better idea. He's like, maybe we don't Dremel the $700 piece of carbon. Might be better to do the axle slider, so hopefully this works. Also, this is pretty cool what they have back here. They have all kinds of different tools. His grind wheel, I'm not sure what that is. Milling lathes, and then a big ass press. This is like their working, actually they even have a tumbler here where you can like, I forget what this thing's called. Precision finishing? I don't know, that's what the thing's called, but it's like a blast, what does it say? Blast and peen? Blast and peen. That's what it says. I don't know what that means. Somebody I'm sure in the comment section will know what this is, but anywho. Look how funny this is. That's Zendaya. That's funny. And look at that. It worked. And that totally sets off the front end.
And you can't even see it.
That's exactly, yeah, and you'll never know what he did. I'm not even gonna show you. Don't even think about it. Don't even talk about it. But we also have titanium blue bolts coming for all of that too. And that's just gonna be the final to set it off. Oh, question for you guys. We did order the stickers for there that match. You can get the M1000R stickers for this piece here. It might take some, like, a little bit of, what do you think?
No.
You already said no. Caleb, what do you think?
It makes sense over there. Are you replacing this?
I don't know.
Well, it makes sense down there, but this is clean on its own.
You like it without it?
Yeah.
I think with the blue and the titanium bolts and stuff, I think it's gonna be enough color right there. What do you think?
I think I would leave it.
Leave it?
Because your wheel already has graphics.
My wheel has, yeah, that's true. It has the blue graphics, which you can barely see anymore. But they are there. But let me know what you guys think. I'd probably say just add the blue titanium bolts, and I think that that's gonna look perfect after that. Even just this right here made such a massive difference. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna put those on all 4 areas, and then he's gonna, I guess, work on the carbon frame covers. I think he has to remove all of the bearings, whatever you wanna call them, because they actually go all the way up here and underneath here and down around to here, which is kind of cool, but more work for him. I also wanted to wish a big congratulations to whoever's brand new Panigale V4 this is, and they're doing a full system on it. Look at you, congratulations. That is gonna be so badass. Titanium everywhere, the whole bike's in pieces. They already got the front headers on, and that is gonna be sick. If this is your bike, let us know in the comment section below. When it's done, I gotta try and remember to get us the first startup, because that is gonna be sick. I'm wondering, is it the undertail exhaust, or is it just the one that comes right here? I'm not sure. If you know, let me know in the comment section below. All right, we're back in here checking on Caleb. He said he actually had to take off this entire fairing and obviously the belly as well, because of how it slid in here. He even had to unhook this hose right here and some other things. I think there's like a overflow case right there for the coolant. So it was quite a bit more work than he anticipated, but I think it was worth it. I would have had him do this whenever we did the exhaust and the bike was in pieces, but I didn't have the part at the time. So that's why we didn't do it. But you can see the whole plastic fairing is off on the ground, and he's repeating the process over here. So putting all the double-sided tape on all over as much as possible to try to get it to adhesive stick to the area, but the fairings do go on there and help hold it on, so it's not gonna go anywhere regardless. And then you can see the other side there too. Look at that. He's got the axle sliders all on, which look amazing on the front and on the back. Look at that. And actually something I noticed today is that the front and rear brake calipers are totally 2 different shades of blue. So you see this one back here, looking lighter on camera, it's pretty dark. It's more like this color of blue here. And then look at the front calipers. They're actually very bright, more like that color blue right there. The front calipers actually don't match anything on the bike, which is pretty interesting, but it still looks really good. All right, we're at the back of the house here. Ooh, I wanted to hear that with the Leo Vinci. Yeah, gotta love it. So, look at this. Panigale down. It's got dirt inside it and grass. Oh my, could have been a lot worse. Look at that. Why are you standing there like that next to it?
Oh, I don't know.
Like it's your bike or something. Yeah, like what the heck?
In for repair.
Luckily the rider is okay, and they're gonna get him back up and running in no time.
Oh, poor Ducati.
Yeah. All right, just like that, Caleb, the 20-year-old, the fresh 20-year-old, has finished. I think it looks awesome. I really like it. Sometimes people complain about doing like covers, like carbon covers, but you gotta admit, guys, this looks a lot better than it did without it. And I think the next thing we're gonna do are these, but there's gonna be a little twist. It's gonna be more than just a cover, so you'll see that one in the next episode. But I think this looks awesome. We also got the axle sliders. Again, everything from Moto Million. Use my code Campisi if you want to save yourself some money. If you want to be entered to win this bike, patreon.com/Campisi Customs. It's always the first link in the description below. We could not do these build series without the support of the patrons. So if you are able to support, head on over there, get signed up, and you'll be able to win this beauty whenever it's done. Give you a quick look at this side as well. God, it looks so good. Look at that. Yeah, that is badass. So don't forget, guys, Warhorse of Camp Hill. They got tons of new bikes that have just arrived. There's a nice booty shot for you. If you want anything at Warhorse, mention my name. You'll save some money. And I think that's it. By the time this goes up, I think 4th of July will be over, even though it's tomorrow as of filming this video. So happy July 4th to everyone. I hope you have a wonderful holiday with your friends and family, and we'll catch you guys next week for a rare special Ducati unboxing. So stay tuned, hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.